Power hour, Les, absolutely. See what we can do in power hour, shall we? If anything, I think that's a good question. LGVN, pushed an American. Let's look at what you have. I'm not watching anything yet. I've just sat down, Michael. So give me a minute, and I'll come up with something. Still trying to get the stream set up, so go figure. My stream. Where's my chat? Hi, you've not seen you for a while. Hi, kiss. Yeah, well, we're all trying to save up a little. Keep spending it on frivolous things, though. That's the problem. Like an ex-wife and kids. So I keep spending it. They keep spending it. That's the thing. What happened to EVN? Off. Yeah. Overview up. Up. Really roads since the open. To data is selling off more. What's Netflix doing? Not a lot. Okay. No, not really. Right. possibly a 4-hour peak there, but do anything. Looking at moving, moved. Did pop up, sold off. But we have to take any trades. I've just thought I'd come on whilst I'm listening to the football at the same time. The hour of power really got to start at 2:45, Michael. You're absolutely right. You've got to start a little bit early. Um, the problem is that my internet went out for the best part of 10 minutes, so I couldn't even get onto a stream. I couldn't go live, couldn't get onto a stream. So that's what you get for living in Ireland. Fortunately, the infrastructure is far from great. Slightly. Just keeping an eye out on. Got half an hour left and there's no volume, but there was no volume this morning, so why that's surprising me, I don't know. DWAC is making a little bit of a signature move. Don't mind this stock because when it moves, it really does move. Between this one and PHUN, I made $102,000 in one day. That was last October. Right, today's trading. I made a lot more if I traded it better, but isn't that always the case? CUV. On a top mover at the moment, but no volume, 51,000. Follow the volume. Just an American looks like it's got some volume. In the wrong direction. Again. Volume again. That needs to get over 1250. Volume and see that the volume is just not spikes up here what power hour started. Just volume. So we need volume. Yeah, absolutely. RXT that sold back off again after it hits after its pop. Yeah, it pretty much lost all its gains. So CRXT is now trading at 217. So I called this out in my Discord at 180, $1.80. Called it out this morning about 90 minutes before the bell. Oh, about 2 hours before the bell actually in my Discord. And I called it out at $1.80. It went all the way up to almost $4, $3.94. So if you like the smaller price stocks, that was a good move. Very good move today. $1.80. I wasn't going to trade it because I don't trade those lower price stocks. I'll have a look at car for you. 12% up. Right Edge got more volume. Thing is with car is car might have volume, Michael, but have you seen the price of it? 320 a share. Who's got $320 a share? You can't trade that with a small account. Might be able to trade. It's something like Rad. Goodness, look at that. That's a horrible, horrible chart. Why we're getting up like that? The volume back up to $9 though. Yes. GVN seems to be making earned 12.50 still the watch. 5 minutes. I did this a few weeks ago. See something. 1385 this popped up to today, and that just happens to be the same that popped up with a few days ago. 22nd of February. Back to 5 minutes. Forge spiking up. For volume. It's gone green on the day though. Just flick between tickers and see something moving. Peter just sold off all of those gains that we're looking at. All these consecutive days of gains, and look how much it's sold off in the last 2 days. That's Peter looks like it's done. It's topped out at $7. What software or app am I using? I'm using Dash Trader Breakfree. Called Dash Trader. DAS is an acronym for Direct Access Software. You can always put me on mute and turn the football up, Alistair. You're listening to the. I'm listening to. If you don't, you probably can't hear it because it's a little far away. But I'm listening to the City game. I'm a Brighton fan for one night only. But there's nothing moving right now. Oh, small, low volume. WBEV popped up nicely, just not enough volume to chase. I'm looking at the 15-minute scanner. I'm looking at the momentum scanner here and looking at where the volume is. That's what I want to look at. So I'm looking at where it says K, I want to see an M. This time of day, I want to see it trading in millions, not in thousands. RN. 6 minutes. Okay. Movement. It's not huge volume across the day. It's one handle here, the biggest one of the day. Oh, 4,000, 5,000. Okay. What else have we got? When's Powell talking? Ron Powell. Yes, I am. I'm indeed, Adam. Tuna 1-0 up. Tuna, to be fair, since Eddie Howe took over, Newcastle have played like a team that's deserving of the Premier League. So decent manager actually. Shoestring budget. Have a look. What else is? I've got a consultancy request. That's nice. $400 back pocket. Like those consultancy requests. See what Jerome Powell. May 20th. Yeah, there's nothing. Well, that website. Like that then. Well, Powell was supposed to be talking to after hours maybe. Seb's moving up. Well, look at that. Nice. Jumped in for the break of $8. Get a little cushion and then I'll scale into this. Looking at bounce on 8. It's going to be a pullback or is it going to be nice little bounce, a nice little pop on Sev there. And exiting if it pulls back too far. eye on this. Second candle formation. Right, moment. We've only took 1,000 shares at the minute, so we wanted to get a start. It moved, continued to move up, but pull back. So add to the position as soon as it starts to move up, or we'll get out if it breaks lows. So all this it just hit the scanners right as we expected it. You've moved the scanner along. Not sure what you mean by move the scanner along. Scanner's covering the stream on TikTok. I can't see that. This is an extremely volatile one from yesterday. Recent IPO. Starts to break lows, the exit. You got an average cost of 93, currently 87. Low 80, we get out. We've got good profits on the day. We don't want to start giving them back just because power hour. Right, okay, I can see it on my screen. I can see it on the stream. It's yeah. Well, we just gave back $1,000, so that's not $1,200. What we wanted to do, clearly. Moved it a couple of millimeters. I'm looking at the stream now, and I can see the candles forming. I don't know why you can't. Can anybody else not see the candles? Is it just Alistair? What? They're not looking like 780. Where am I from? Originally, I'm from the UK, a place called Wigan. Currently in Ireland, though. Living in Ireland for the last 20 years. And you're all trying to wind me up now. I'm sure you are. I'm not going for it. Not going for it. Wigan very well. Surrounding it. 780. 7. Oh, that's the wrong direction. I said 790, not 779. Come on. Listen. The market not paying attention. A woman. No offense to any of the women in the chip P wet. Oh, bleh, chip P wet. Yeah, well, Babby's Yeds are good. No, I actually married an Indian girl. Don't do that. Sucks the energy right out of you. He was from Bolton originally. Okay. 'But give all the profits back. That's what you get for coming to Power Hour not ready. We've just basically gone red on the day after 4 grand up. Just give it all back on one ticker. Ah, look, that happens. What's the meaning of the high volume red? Uh, the high volume red basically means that a lot of sellers, a lot of people selling before close. No dog snoring. No, she's by the front door at the minute. Well, I'm not in Bolton now. I'm not near Wigan right now. Helen says hi. I'll give Helen my best. Oh, absolutely, it was a nightmare trade. Every time I took we got the initial setup and we actually we were in there fine, but I was fine. It was only a starter position, and then first bull flag faked out, got out for a loss. Second bull flag faked out, got out for a big loss. So we're all moving now. And it don't work every time. Gotta accept that. Not an exact science. it's gone back red on the day. Looking at the main scanners down here, then looks like it's trying to back up. That's an absolute nightmare to trade that one. Easy come, easy go. Easy for Ghazi. Goozy, ever. Goozy for Ghazi. What's Bitcoin looking like right now? Oh, Bitcoin is down on the day. Fractionally, it's still over $40, over $41 actually, but it's fractionally down on the day. Ethereum fractionally about 0.5% down on the day, so they're trading sideways. Cardano's slightly down. XRP is down nearly 3%, which is great. Gibbs down. Well, so crypto's having a bit of it's not a huge red day, but it's having a red day at the moment. So. Evening mumbles. Hey Phil. Oh, not a broker at this time of night. Absolutely not. Take a position with really though. Break of the VWAP. A small range, so giving it a huge amount. See if we can get up above the VWAP. VWAP currently is 1160, so that's what we're targeting. Extended at the moment. Moving up hugely, but going steady will do. Not the direction. Oh, it's certainly not that quickly either. and this isn't a warning to anybody, is that once you've made your profits, walk away. Back the day later. Don't get greedy. Aye, wow. Fucking going red. Red net. And the Russell. Nasdaq's been all day, so. Oh, you've come to say hello to the stream, have you? Hey, come and saying hello. Waiting for that. Do more sense. That's great stuff, Mumbles. Well done. Green's green. Better than I'm doing at the moment. Oh. Right, 64. 70. Hundred of that in. Back, we've got Russian net. Where am I from? Originally Wigan. Spider markets is just selling off. It's gone red. Absolutely. As I say, do it not as I do. 100%. Green on the day again. That was hard work, wasn't it? See if we can ride this up. How far will it go? I'm on Veru. I'm trading from Dublin, Ireland. Nice to go. It'd be really nice to go that's $12. I'm in Dublin under fire. I'm not naive enough to be blurting out my exact location on the interwebs. But it's up to 69. We like 69. It's a good number. Slow and steady, does it? Base hits. Oh, the snoring's back. She's come to say hi. What do you mean? Can I do a prediction on the Dow Jones? It's just gone red on the day. Was that what you mean? I don't trade the indexes because they're a derivative, so I want to see this break 12 will be lovely. Get over at 1180 first. She does. It's funny. Locking in profits here. Oh, that's not good. Let's stop because the market's over. Five and we're out. Careful because I'm just holding this. If it does move up, if it drops, I'm going to cost is 65. Well, we made $275 on Veru. Didn't quite get green on the day, but it's a small red day. Better than a big red day. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed Power Hour. I hope you all saw what not to do. So, no, actually, I'm going to go back to those and just give a quick review of where I got in with these trades on this. So let's just have a quick look. I'll zoom in so that we can actually see where we did. So Sev was moving up. So this is Sono Group, and it started to move up. So we waited for a pullback. We got a pullback. We entered in here for the break of $8, and it moved up. We could have taken profits at 8.15. We were waiting for 8.20 before we took profits. It pulled back. And we added to our position on the first bull flag. So we only took a 1,000 shares. It was only a starter position anyway to start off with. But then we added to our position for this little bull flag setup. First pullback, and then the first candle to make a new high, which was 789. And we got in 791. So this is where we got it, 791. Checked us out. It went up to 794, so 3 cents. Ouch. And then pull back. So we got stopped out there. That was the first bit. That was about 2,000. No, that was about $1,200 that stopped us out. We're in for 6,000 shares. So then we went in, okay, bit of a fake out there, pulled back. Then we went for the next bull flag setup. So the high there was 775. We waited for some volume to start coming in. We saw that. and we got in with 780, and it moved up as high as 784, so 4 cents, and then pulled back. And we got out, and we were in for 10,000 shares at that stage. So we went a little bit bigger because we figured second bull flag's going to pay off, and it didn't. So the setups are okay, as far as I can see. The setups are okay. They just faked us out, and that can happen. That can happen. So just be careful with your setups. You want the volume to follow through, and I didn't get that. But the bull flag setups were there. Just one of those times it went against me. The good thing is, the good take on it is, I had a cushion on the day before I started and took those trades. So we're finishing 140 bucks down on the day. We were 4,000 up, but 140 down, which is a bit of a shame, but not a lot we can do. Okay, all the best, Alistair. And I'll end the stream. So I'll get to making a trade review, and fortunately I've just done one. So Fugazi, it's not yours until you cash it in. Catch you guys later. Enjoy.